Welcome to the Gourmet Code. In this video, we will highlight the top 6 healthy foods to eat in 2023. As we become more aware of the impact of our diet on our health and the environment, it's important to stay up to date on the latest food trends. Here we go. Number 1. Kimchi. Kimchi is a traditional Korean dish made of fermented vegetables, typically cabbage and radish. It's a rich source of probiotics, which can help improve gut health and boost the immune system. Kimchi is also high in vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A and C, and potassium. Additionally, the fermentation process of kimchi can help to preserve vegetables, making it a great option for reducing food waste. Number 2. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice commonly used in Indian and Middle Eastern cuisine. It contains a compound called curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties and may help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Turmeric can be added to soups, stews, and curries for a warm and earthy flavor. Number 3. Strawberries. Strawberries are a sweet and delicious fruit that are high in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. They're also low in calories, making them a great option for those watching their weight. Strawberries can be eaten on their own as a snack or added to smoothies, salads, and desserts. Number 4. Salmon. Salmon is a fatty fish that is high in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and improve heart health. It's also a good source of protein, vitamin D, and B vitamins. Salmon can be grilled, baked, or pan-fried and served with a side of vegetables for a healthy and satisfying meal. Number 5. Bone broth. Bone broth is made by simmering animal bones and connective tissue for an extended period of time. It's a rich source of collagen, which can help improve skin health and joint function. Bone broth is also high in vitamins and minerals, including calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. It can be enjoyed on its own or used as a base for soups and stews. Number 6. Broccoli sprouts. Broccoli sprouts are the immature sprouts of the broccoli plant and are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. They're also high in vitamin C and fiber. Broccoli sprouts can be added to salads, sandwiches, and wraps for a healthy and crunchy addition. There you have it, the top 6 healthy food to eat in 2023. From kimchi to broccoli sprouts, these foods offer a range of health benefits and can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can support your health and contribute to a more sustainable food system. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this episode and start eating healthier today. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel for more recipes and cooking tips. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below.